This is a Makita BCL180 from the LXT line of Makita tools. So basically you take the cover off, rotate the filter, pull it off, pull the cage off, take out the 7 screws and just their Phillips screws. That pulls right off and you're into the inner workings. The problem I was having is this switch was no longer closing. I could press this, but it wasn't pushing the switch in far enough. You can hear this one, which is the replacement, now clicks. The other one did not. So here's how you replace that switch. It's very simple. So once you've got the whole thing open, all you have to do is take out the trigger. Pulls right out. Pull the switch off of the 2 posts. Pull these 2 wires, the blade connectors. Put the new switch in. Plug the blade connectors back in. Make sure that this is the normally open position, not the normally closed position. Put it back onto the pegs. Put the trigger back in the guide hole there. And then put the spring in so it will spring out. Make sure it's down flush and you can hear how it clicks. The switch on the top is the one that I pulled out of the old Makita. The switch on the bottom is one that I bought from Amazon. I'll put a link in the comments below on where you can get that. Then once you're all done, put the clamshell back together. This may move when you're testing it, so just make sure that it's seated in there nicely. This goes on there. Screw in the 7 screws. You don't have to break this latch. Sometimes these tools will have a hook. You don't have to do that. It comes right off. Put the 7 screws in and you should be good to go. And then when you're done, you can use the repaired vacuum to clean your desk.